Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. I'm Srivali. I'm truly excited to have you all here. Thank you for joining me as we explore one of the most fascinating and fast growing areas of technology, that is generative AI. So, in this session, I'll be sharing my learnings and insights about generative AI. Let's dive into the world where machines don't just understand the data, but they're just starting the creating the it. So machines don't just understanding the data, they're starting to create it. So first thing, what is generative AI? So what is generative AI? What exactly means generative AI? Generative AI refers to the artificial intelligence systems that can create content such as video games, codes, music, images, text, etc. Based on the data what they have learned. Generative AI can generate something new and original that resembles to the human activity, and nowadays it has using wide range of users and having more popular nowadays. And then generative AI is a artificial intelligence systems, and it converts our text into new and something original and getting very creative ideas to us. Then next, why generative AI? Why we should use generative AI? It comes up with new creativity possibilities and saves time, increases productivity, and enables innovations like never before. Whether it's designing artwork or writing code, designing artwork, writing code, composing music, or building virtual environment, whatever. And generative AI changing how we use, create, and think. So it depends upon us, and we have to show what our thinkings, so it can create it and it responds us with new ideas and gives us very new ideas, and it is useful for many uses like coding skills, writing, and it may get us to improve our English speaking skills, and we can talk with them, and we can talk with generative AI, and we can express our feelings to generative AI, and it is very useful for us. Examples of generative AI. Here are a few examples for generative AI to understand what generative AI is. So imagine you show a generative AI with lots of cats pictures, like posing like this and this, like so much of cat pictures. So generative AI, is what it does means it studies all the cat pictures and sends us with new cat pictures. And it does not maybe difference with poses, background, and colors, but it creates new cat pictures, and it does not send same copies. And another example is generative AI with writing part. So when we send a generative AI a large number of collections of books or articles, it can learn all the articles and collections of books, and it reads, it creates own stories, and it sends with new stories, articles, and scripts based on what it has learned. And this ability to create new content, this is what makes generative AI so special, and it is useful in many areas like design, art, videos, games, text, etc. And here are some common and exciting examples for generative AI is ChatGPT, Dell E, OpenAI, and GitHub Copilot, so many. And ChatGPT used for text purposes, and DALI used for image, and OpenAI is used for generating videos, Runway ML used for video creating. So many examples are there, and this is the generative AI. And thank you.